Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be doing a quick guess what's in the box video, aka bag video on this guy right here. All of these items I picked up, I think it was like February 16th, but they showed up February 27th. Today is the 12th of March 2022. We're just going to go over them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I will see you guys there. Thank you guys for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going, and welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Like I said, this is just going to be another guess what's in the box, aka bag video. Today is March 12th. It's a Saturday, 2022. Like I said in the intro, I did pick this up the beginning of February. I think it was like February 12th or 14th, somewhere in there. I got them in the mail. I got this one in the mail, I think it was like February 23rd. I have a bunch of packages over here. So I've got lots of, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, this one's 6, there's one I already opened that's 7, and I'm pretty sure, just to give you guys a quick hint, but these I believe are back probes. I have 3 packages that actually sound just like that. These 2 right here sound just like that. So I think they're the back probes, back piercing probes. I could be wrong. The first video I did, this one right here, they threw the little pouch on the floor, after I emptied it. I was wrong. I thought it was the piercing probes that I had purchased. It wasn't. It was actually a manual resetting fuses and another item. So I could be wrong, but I trying to give you guys some better hints, that way you guys, when you play along, whoever does play along, at least it's fun. And no, nobody has gotten any of them right, to be honest. And it is not really easy to guess what's in something like this, even in boxes. I try my best to give you guys hints, I put in the title, it says tools, guess what's in the box, or parts, guess what's in the box, or electronics, guess what's in the box. Everything here should be related. So all of those packages are related to this one's related to the one I just opened, and they all should be related to this stuff right here. Electronic diagnostic stuff. So probes, piercers, alligator clips, banana clips, stuff like that. So this package is pretty flat also. So this package is 9 inches and 1/4 of an inch by 11 3/8, and it's pretty flat, so it's 1/4 inch thick. I think it's the back probes. I'm more than likely going to do a guess what's in the box video for these 2 also, because I could be wrong. I mean, the last time I ended up doing a guess what's in the box video, and I stacked 3 of these back together and just opened them all on one video and did one guess what's in the box video. I was totally wrong on that. It was I had bought 2 items that were identical back then, which was also diagnostic stuff. But these 2 right here, I bought these 2. I thought the bag that I had sitting there, 2 different bags sitting there, sounded like these 2 items. In reality, it was not. These were actually packaged in one package, and I thought that they were in 2 separate packages. So I made that mistake last time. But move this out the way. It's not a part of the video. But you know, let's try to do a quick video. I've got some pretty sad news as well. A buddy of mine went to everybody's YouTube, always hung out on live streams, was an amazing moderator. Stephen W. Doolittle, give a shout out to Stephen W. Doolittle. On March 9th, 2022, he had passed away. So just something that is recent to now. You know, today's the 12th. It's been a couple days. You know, Stephen, love you, brother. Rest in peace. And you know, I'm glad that you are no longer in pain with all the stuff that was going on in your life with you know, the medical issues and everything. You know, rest easy, and I had your 6 here, brother, as always. So now God's got your 6, and I will see you one day, bro. So just a little shout out to buddy Steven of mine. He was a lot of people's friends on YouTube. He was a great guy. I just wanted to throw that out there on this video, but you know, I don't want to make, like, you know, a huge amount of videos on it. I just wanted to let him know I was thinking of him. So next video we're gonna unpackage this. It's pretty flat. I'm thinking it is the back probes. And the back probes I bought is just 5 different colors, and it comes with 20. I think it comes with 20 back probes. You can thread the back probes on, which is kind of nice. I do hope that everybody has a great rest of their day. And you know, these videos are fun for me. I don't know if everybody enjoys them, and if you don't enjoy them, you know, you can let me know that you don't like them, or you can just not say anything. You just don't watch them. It's all up to you guys. I enjoy making them, and I've had a pretty rough year. I got into a truck accident last year, as most of you guys know. My neck's been pretty messed up. It's still messed up. I've been sitting on doing... I've had these packages on my bench for probably 2.5, 3 weeks now. I just didn't want to make any videos. Didn't want to do anything with them. I didn't need any of the stuff in these bags right that minute. These are all stuff, you know, that I picked up, and some of it's bulk for a diagnostic kit that I'm building for my service truck. You know, it's not necessary. I do have other back probes and stuff like that, but you know, just one of those things that I just didn't feel like making videos. And you know, every once in a while, if you do videos on YouTube, you make enough videos, you will get burnt out and you'll want to take a break. And I haven't done videos, and I've recorded videos, but I haven't uploaded videos in like over a year. And you guys see a video from my channel every day. That's how many videos I have scheduled on the channel. I have 380 something videos scheduled automatically already right now on the channel. So I don't have to actually upload any of these videos right now. Most of these you probably aren't going to see until, probably not going to see this video until probably freaking January, February, March of next year, more than likely. And, you know, which is kind of stupid. I probably should upload this one now because, you know, I mentioned the passing of Steven, but I don't know. I'll see if I'm up to it, guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping by. I'm a little bummed out. You know, buddy died. And you know, it's just been a pretty rough year, and this year's just not getting any better. You know, my grandmother passed away, and then Steven passed away. Just found out my dog has cancer. So, and that's the dog on the channel that I posted that little short. You know, I'm so tired. A lot of people don't realize it. A lot of people thought that was just me joking around. You know, my dog is tired, legitimately tired. I'm getting him treatment, trying to get the tumors removed and everything. So it's just been a pretty rough year and a half, going on 2 years now. I appreciate everybody stopping by. Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, please like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully, when I unbag it, it'll be a little bit better. Peace! Or at least a better mood.